Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper necklace for Krishna Jayanthi. So this is a very easy way of making a paper necklace and it is useful too. So you can use this necklace for any festival or occasion. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity we need a square piece of paper. You guys can take a rectangular piece of paper as well. So the first step is that we need to take a pencil and we have to draw a flower on it. So first I'm drawing a circle. So next step is that we have to draw 4 circles around the middle one. So now we have a flower. So the next step is that I'm taking a green marker and I'm shading the middle part in green, like this. Next step is that I'm taking a blue marker and I'm coloring the other 4 circles. Now we have a beautiful flower. So the next step is that we have to take a scissor and we have to cut this flower out. So I'm cutting it. So we have to cut it out slowly. So after we complete this, we have to make 4 more flowers in the same way, like this. So now we have 5 flowers in total. So next step is that I'm taking a rectangular strip of paper. So I'm going to fold it in half like this. So there should be a V-shaped form. So after we're done with this, I'm taking a glue bottle and I'm applying some glue on the V, like this. So I'm taking one flower and I'm sticking it in the middle. And I'm sticking flowers on both sides of the paper at equal distances, like this. So next step is that I'm going to be applying some more glue on here in the same way, like this. So after we apply some glue, I'm sticking the other 2 remaining flowers on here. So we have to stick it slowly or else it will mess up. So after we complete this, I'm taking a red marker and I'm just coloring the remaining left part out. So it's better if you guys leave it for some time then color it so that it gets dried out well. So I'm coloring it. So you can use any other color to color it. I'm using red because it will be more dark and look more beautiful. So after we complete coloring, we'll have a beautiful necklace for Krishna Jayanthi. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!